What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having an amazing and productive day so far. So this video, I'm gonna go through real quick on how you can fix your ads that have been stuck in review for long periods of time. Now, this specific example only works if your ads have been in pending review for over 24 hours, which actually happens pretty often, even to me. Now, this is a simple and instant solution that you can follow. This isn't gonna be a long episode. It's gonna be straight to the point. So let's do it. And before everybody starts to comment, Tanner, what is this? What is this? What is that, your age? What is this? This is a Google Chrome extension called Mortality. But basically I just use it on here. It's been on here for a couple of years. I just use it as a reminder to show me, we only have one life, and this is how far I am in life so far compared to the average life expectancy, and I need to take advantage of it. So whenever I open a new tab, that's what comes up. It's just that, that subtle reminder sometimes. But what you're gonna wanna do is go here. I even have it as a bookmark, facebook.com/business/help. And now you're gonna see all these different things. I'm sure you've seen this before if you've ever tried to contact Facebook support. And instead of just clicking on ads right off the bat here, I go to get started, and then it's gonna bring up another section where it does have ads and all the other stuff. And I'll go to ads right here. And now this is the issue. I'm making this video and they're not open on the weekend. So this sucks, but every weekday they're open 8 a.m. and this is a chat. This is Messenger. So, maybe you say they're in pending review or whatever, but they're not really going to give you any actual help. They're just going to, give you some kind of article or information that makes you think more positively about the situation. But if you want real help, this is what I use every single time. So obviously it's off right now, but instead of emailing support and waiting for days on end, I use this right here. And whenever you click it, it's gonna open in Messenger. And what it is basically just a chat bot where it asks you, all right, what is your issue? And one of the options is ads are pending in review. And then what happens next is the most simple part. It sends you a list of ads that you have in review. You choose the ads and it instantly approves it every single time. So obviously right now I can't do it because they're only open, during the weekdays and from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or whatever it is. Even though it's a bot, I don't necessarily understand why they don't have it open 24/7. Because instead of waiting for your ads to finally get in review or emailing support and waiting days for them to respond, you can instantly use this. And it only works if your ads have been in review for 24 hours or more. So I would definitely recommend you guys try this out if you have issues with ads being stuck in review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.